Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're embracing the beauty of late winter with neutral farmhouse decor that feels fresh, calm, and utterly timeless. If you're ready to transform your home into a serene sanctuary using soft textures, natural materials, and those gorgeous neutral tones we all adore, you're in exactly the right place. Before we dive into these beautiful spaces, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our weekly design inspiration. And don't forget to like this video and share your favorite neutral color combo in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing from you. Let's create something beautiful together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. Think classic board and batten siding in soft whites, warm creams, or gentle greys that complement the natural landscape. Add architectural interest with black or bronze metal roofing, functional shutters in charcoal or sage, and a statement front door in muted olive or natural wood tones. Consider shiplap details under the eaves and exposed beam accents on your porch ceiling. These neutral palette choices create that authentic farmhouse aesthetic while maintaining a refined, contemporary edge. The key is balancing rustic elements with clean lines, letting your home whisper elegance rather than shout it. Your entryway deserves thoughtful attention as the transitional space between outside and in. Install a sturdy wall-mounted coat rack in wrought iron or aged bronze with generous hooks for jackets, scarves, and hats. Position a rustic wooden bench with woven basket storage underneath for shoes and seasonal accessories. Above, hang an oversized mirror with a weathered wood frame to amplify natural light and create visual depth. Layer a durable jute or sisal mat under the bench for texture and practicality. Add a vintage-inspired key holder and a simple ceramic dish for daily essentials. This vignette balances form and function beautifully while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse sensibility. Elevate your entryway with carefully curated decorative elements that tell your story. Display a galvanized metal pitcher filled with dried pampas grass or eucalyptus for organic texture. Lean a vintage wooden ladder against the wall as unique coat storage. Incorporate soft textiles like a chunky knit throw draped over your bench or linen cushions in oatmeal and flax tones. Consider a weathered architectural piece like an old window frame or salvaged corbel as wall art. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its collected over time aesthetic, so mix materials freely. Wood, metal, natural fibers, and stone all play together harmoniously in neutral colorways. The living room anchors your farmhouse home with comfortable, conversation-friendly furniture arrangements. Choose a sofa in durable linen or cotton canvas in neutral shades like oat, putty, or warm white. Add depth with mismatched armchairs in complementary neutrals, perhaps one in textured boucle, another in leather that will develop beautiful patina. Position furniture to encourage interaction rather than focusing solely on the television. Anchor the space with a large-scale jute or wool rug in natural fibers, layering texture underfoot. The scale is crucial here. Your furniture should feel substantial and inviting, never precious or untouchable in this family-friendly space. Now comes the fun part, layering your living room with those tactile elements that make farmhouse style so inviting. Pile the sofa with linen and cotton pillows in varying sizes and neutral patterns like ticking stripes, grain sack stripes, or subtle plaids. Drape a chunky cable knit or waffle weave throw over the arm. On your coffee table, ideally a reclaimed wood piece or vintage trunk, style a wooden dough bowl filled with decorative balls or natural elements. Add brass or bronze candlesticks, vintage books, and perhaps a ceramic vase with fresh greenery. Wall decor might include shiplap, a large-scale vintage clock, or a gallery wall of black and white family photos in mismatched frames. Your dining room should feel like the heart of hospitality. Center the space with a solid wood farmhouse table in natural oak, reclaimed pine, or painted white with distressed edges. Surround it with mismatched seating, Perhaps Windsor chairs, upholstered Parsons chairs in linen, or a combination that feels curated rather than matched. Overhead, install a statement light fixture like a wagon wheel chandelier, linear metal pendant, or modern drum shade in natural linen. The dining room bridge formal and casual beautifully in farmhouse design, so don't be afraid to mix elegant elements like a vintage Persian rug with rustic components like a barnwood accent wall. Dress your dining table with layers that transition seamlessly from everyday meals to special occasions. Start with a base of natural linen table runners in oatmeal or flax, allowing the beautiful wood grain to show at the ends. Choose simple white ironstone or cream stoneware dishes that feel collected and timeless. Add texture with woven chargers, linen napkins tied with jute twine, and simple glassware. Your centerpiece might feature a long wooden trough filled with pillar candles in varying heights, surrounded by eucalyptus stems or seasonal greenery. Keep arrangements low enough for conversation. This understated approach to table styling embodies the effortless elegance that defines modern farmhouse living. The farmhouse kitchen balances hardworking functionality with warm aesthetics. Opt for shaker-style cabinets in soft white, cream, or two-tone combinations with gray-green lowers and white uppers. Open shelving displays everyday dishes and creates visual breathing room. Choose countertops in butcher block, white quartz with subtle veining, or soapstone for authentic character. A farmhouse apron front sink becomes a focal point, especially in fire clay white. Your refrigerator might sport a panel-ready facade or classic stainless steel, kept fingerprint-free. Position a vintage-inspired range with a decorative hood as your kitchen statement piece, flanked by subway tile in a classic running bond or timeless herringbone pattern. Transform utilitarian kitchen elements into decorative moments. Display a beautiful drip coffee machine in brushed stainless or matte black on your counter as both functional appliance and design object. Style open shelves with a mix of white dishes, wooden cutting boards, glass storage jars, and greenery in ceramic pots. Replace standard cabinet hardware with aged bronze or matte black pulls for an instant upgrade. On your countertops, keep a wooden tray holding cooking oils and glass bottles, a ceramic utensil holder, and perhaps a vintage scale or bread box. Above your sink, consider a brass pot filler for both practicality and vintage charm. These thoughtful details elevate the everyday into something special. Your family room should be the most comfortable space in your home, where movie nights happen and books get devoured. Anchor the room with an oversized sectional in durable, family-friendly fabric like performance linen in warm gray or soft taupe. Mount your flat-screen television above a rustic media console in reclaimed wood or painted finish, leaving space for decorative elements on either side like table lamps with linen shades or stacked vintage books. Include plenty of soft throw blankets within easy reach and oversized floor pillows for extra seating. This room prioritizes comfort while maintaining that cohesive farmhouse aesthetic throughout your home. Layer personality into your family room through thoughtful accessories and flexible lighting. Flank your seating area with substantial table lamps on sturdy side tables, adding task lighting for reading. Consider a statement ceiling fan with wooden blades for year-round comfort. Incorporate baskets in varying sizes, woven seagrass, wire, or rattan, for corralling toys, magazines, and blankets. Mount floating shelves to display family photos in simple frames, small potted plants, and treasured objects that tell your story. A large wall clock in metal, or wood adds both function and visual interest. Remember, this room should reflect how you actually live, combining beauty with the durability to withstand daily family life beautifully. Create a multifunctional workspace that inspires productivity while maintaining home's comfortable aesthetic. Choose a substantial wooden desk, perhaps a reclaimed door on sawhorse legs or a classic writing desk in natural finish. Position it near a window for natural light and inspiring views. Add a comfortable upholstered desk chair that supports long working hours without sacrificing style. Install floating shelves above your workspace for books, binders, and decorative storage boxes in linen or woven materials. Include a small vintage-style radio for background music and a unique desk clock, perhaps a brass library clock or minimalist wooden design, to keep you on schedule with character. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook, that perfect spot to escape with a good book and warm beverage. Position a comfortable upholstered chair or chaise in linen or velvet near a window, angled to capture natural light. Add a small side table within reach for your coffee and current read. Incorporate a standing floor lamp with adjustable arm for evening reading sessions. Style with layers of soft textiles, a sheepskin throw, velvet pillow, and chunky knit blanket create an irresistible cocoon. Consider a small floating shelf or wall-mounted basket to keep favorite books accessible. This intimate corner proves that luxury often lives in life's quietest moments. Your primary bedroom should feel like a peaceful sanctuary from the world outside. Anchor the space with a substantial bed frame in weathered wood, upholstered linen, or painted finish, dressed in layers of soft, neutral bedding. Think crisp white sheets, oatmeal linen duvet, textured quilts, and an abundance of pillows in varying sizes. Flank the bed with mismatched nightstands for character, perhaps one vintage wood piece and one painted table. Add table lamps with linen or burlap shades for warm, ambient lighting. Above the bed, consider a statement piece like a salvaged door headboard, shiplap accent wall, or large-scale artwork in muted tones that promotes tranquility. Complete your bedroom's sanctuary with thoughtful finishing details that enhance rest and relaxation. At the foot of your bed, position a vintage bench or wooden trunk for extra blanket storage and visual interest. Dress windows with natural linen curtains that filter light softly while providing privacy. Incorporate texture through a layered rug situation, perhaps a jute base rug with a smaller vintage kilim layered on top. On your dresser, style a wooden tray with a ceramic dish for jewelry, a small vase with fresh stems, and perhaps a vintage brass mirror. Keep surfaces relatively clear to maintain the serene, uncluttered feeling that promotes better sleep and peaceful mornings. Transform your bathroom into a personal spa with farmhouse-inspired fixtures and finishes. Install a walk-in shower with white subway tile, adding texture through different laying patterns or contrasting grout in soft gray. Choose fixtures in brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, or matte black for cohesive style. Your vanity might feature a wooden base with stone countertop and vessel sink, or a painted cabinet with undermount basin. Mount a substantial mirror with metal or wooden frame above, flanked by sconce lighting for even illumination. Include open shelving or a vintage ladder for displaying rolled towels in soft whites and natural tones. These details create everyday luxury within reach. Elevate your bathroom beyond pure function with carefully chosen accessories and storage solutions. At your vanity, display daily essentials in beautiful containers, perhaps a ceramic soap dispenser, wooden toothbrush holder, and glass jar for cotton rounds. Add a vintage stool or small wooden bench for seating and surface space. Incorporate natural elements like eucalyptus hung from your shower head, small potted plants on windowsills, or a wooden bath caddy spanning your tub. Choose plush towels in crisp white or warm neutrals, displaying them on metal hooks or wooden towel racks. A woven basket holds extra toilet paper elegantly. These small investments in beauty make daily routines feel more intentional and pleasurable. Yes, even your garage deserves farmhouse style and smart organization. Install sturdy wall-mounted systems with metal hooks, wooden pegboards, and open shelving in painted or natural wood finishes. Create zones for different activities: gardening supplies, sports equipment, tools, and seasonal storage. Use galvanized metal bins, wooden crates, and woven baskets for containing smaller items while maintaining visual appeal. Consider a workbench in reclaimed wood for projects and repairs. Paint walls in light, neutral colors to brighten the space and make items easier to locate. Add vintage-inspired lighting fixtures and perhaps a painted concrete floor for durability and style. A well-organized garage becomes an extension of your beautiful home rather than a chaotic afterthought. Extend your living space outdoors with a thoughtfully designed farmhouse patio. Choose durable furniture in weather-resistant materials like teak, metal, or all-weather wicker in neutral cushions. Create conversation areas with generous seating arranged to encourage interaction. Add a substantial dining table for al fresco meals, perhaps in reclaimed wood or metal with a weathered patina. Incorporate shade through a pergola with climbing vines, large market umbrella, or a retractable awning. Underfoot, consider stained concrete, natural stone pavers, or brick in herringbone pattern. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. This outdoor room becomes an essential gathering space during transitional seasons, blurring the lines between inside and out. Finish your patio with accessories that bring interior comfort outside. Add outdoor rugs in natural fibers or geometric patterns that define seating areas and soften hard surfaces. Incorporate plenty of throw pillows in weather-resistant fabrics featuring neutral tones and subtle patterns. Position large planters in concrete, terracotta, or galvanized metal filled with boxwoods, ornamental grasses, or seasonal blooms. Include ambient lighting through lanterns, hurricane candles, and perhaps a fire pit or chiminea as a gathering focal point. Hang vintage farm tools, architectural salvage, or metal wall art on exterior walls. A rolling bar card in metal or wood keeps refreshments accessible. These layers transform a simple patio into an irresistible outdoor retreat. There you have it, friends. A complete journey through neutral farmhouse decor that celebrates the fresh energy of a new season. From your welcoming exterior to your serene bedroom, each space we've explored demonstrates how neutral palettes, natural materials, and thoughtful layering create homes filled with warmth and character. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that feel collected, comfortable, and authentically yours. Start with one room. Incorporate these principles gradually and watch your home transform into the peaceful sanctuary you've been dreaming of. If you found inspiration in today's tour, please give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite farmhouse element in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration delivered weekly. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love.